with the Your Stories Q&A.
It appears your complaints about rough railroad crossings are making their way to CSX because after months of bumps, things are starting to get smooth. So many of you have complained to us about this treacherous piece of track on Soule Road in Clay. You'll love this update. We're learning CSX is going to repair this crossing. Electronic signs are up, ready to tell you about the upcoming closure. This is a county road, but the state DOT is helping with the detour. That department tells me it's their understanding that the repairs will start on Monday, the 30th, and take about 3 days, possibly 6 if the weather doesn't cooperate. While repairs are being made, those needing to get around the closed tracks will be advised to take routes 57 and 31. CSX recently repaired a rough ride in Syracuse, removing the tracks by Kraus-Heinz, and the notorious tracks on Manlius Center Road in DeWitt were ripped out last month. Do you have a question for the Your Stories team? Email us, yourstories@localsyr.com. With the Your Stories Q&A, Ryan Dean, News Channel 9.